If you want to clean up your search results on X, formerly Twitter, and remove blocked and muted accounts from appearing, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want a more relevant and less cluttered search experience. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X and make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change this setting. On the left side navigation bar, click on More. This will open up additional account and app options. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. Once the Settings menu opens, select Privacy and Safety. This is where X keeps most of the controls related to your content experience, visibility, and account preferences. Next, click on Content You See. Inside this section, you'll find options that control what appears in your feed and search results. Now look for Search Settings and click on it. This page contains the settings that affect how search behaves across the platform. Here, you'll see an option called Remove Blocked and Muted Accounts. Simply toggle this setting on. Once it's enabled, X will remove blocked and muted accounts from your search results, giving you a cleaner and more personalized experience. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've updated your search settings so blocked and muted accounts no longer show up when you search on X. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.